So you're interested in professional in-chair teeth whitening and you'd like to know what's involved? In-chair teeth whitening is a 1.5-hour procedure. Once you make yourself comfortable in the chair, we'll give you a rundown of exactly what to expect during the whitening treatment. Because you won't be able to talk to us during the treatment, we'll agree on a form of communication that you can use, such as typing on your phone. And now it's time to sit back and relax. We'll start by removing any stains or soft plaque off your teeth. We'll place a lip and cheek retractor and some cords to keep your teeth completely dry, as well as a gum barrier to protect your gums. Next, the whitening gel is applied directly to each tooth and the gel is activated using a special light. We use the Phillips Zoom whitening lamp, which is a well-known global brand, and in conjunction with their teeth whitening gel, is the most effective whitening system available in dentistry. The light works with the whitening gel to break down any discoloration or staining. The gel is applied for 4 15-minute sessions. Once the treatment is complete, a soothing gel is applied to your teeth and a vitamin E gel applied to your lips and soft tissue as a nice final touch. We'll then take you through exactly how to use your customized take-home whitening kit. And last but not least, we'll ask you to show us your sparkling new smile before you go home.